One of the saddest things is when your child is feeling under the weather and then they just can't fall asleep because they keep coughing. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sleepy bug chest rub. This is a chest rub designed for kids that's going to help them rest better and make breathing easier. And it uses the power of essential oils. With this recipe, your child will go from exhausted and uncomfortable to content and rested. Hi, I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist with Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. Get rid of distractions, making is healing, and let's make this recipe. To make this recipe, I'm using Simply Earth's September recipe box, and I'm also going to be using ingredients from the big bonus box as well. So let's find our recipe card and pull out our ingredients. We are using our Sleepy Bug Chest Rub recipe. We'll be using this handy tube, beeswax, almond oil, 10 drops of cedarwood, and from your home, you're going to be grabbing 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. You can also replace this with arrowroot powder, and coconut oil. First, I'm going to melt my oil ingredients together, and I need 1/4 cup of coconut oil plus 2 tablespoons, which is the same thing as 1/8 of a cup. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of almond oil. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of beeswax. These oil-based ingredients are going to dilute our essential oil safely, and it's also going to create a balm-like consistency that's going to work really well as a chest rub. So now I'm gonna go melt this and I'll be right back. So now that this is just melted, we can add the essential oils. We don't want this to get too hot, otherwise when I add the essential oils, it will immediately evaporate. I'm adding 10 drops of cedarwood essential oil, which is safe for young kids. If you want to make this for an adult or a child over the age of 10, I recommend adding eucalyptus. And about 40 drops is going to get you to a 3% dilution rate, which is safe for use with kids aged 10 and up. Now I'm going to add my cornstarch. This is going to add a silky feel to this chest rub. You want to make sure you don't have any chunks of cornstarch in here. Now I can pour it into this tube. This tube has a circular bottom that can get pushed up. So as I use this chest rub, I can push it up for easy application. Now I'm going to set this aside to cool. It'll take an hour to 2 hours, depending on where you live, to totally cool. It's going to cool on the outside first before it cools on the center. So make sure to touch the outsides first before handling it and making sure that it feels like it's room temperature. To use, and I use the kid safe version, I can apply this to my daughter's chest at night before she falls asleep. You can also put it on her wrists or on her neck. We do not want to put it underneath her nose because essential oils can be irritating to your mucous membranes. So we'll keep it on the chest and pulse points. This recipe will help calm her and rest better. The Simply Earth recipe box makes this so easy. Go get the box now, simplyearth.com/box. I'd love to see what you make on social media, so use hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth so we can check it out. Enjoy the aromatherapy benefits of essential oils with this recipe. Go make it now. To use it, push up on the bottom to make it go up. Ooh!